Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to my clean with me for the month of August. Holy crap, the summer's almost over. So I really needed to get caught up on some stuff like this bathroom. I have been way too busy to actually do a full scrub on the bathroom, so I really had to do this like right now. And this in my bedroom needed so much work. The amount of dust flying in the bedroom clips, I apologize. It is bad. Let's get her done. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. It really doesn't help that the lighting's very terrible. I'm so sorry about this clip, but you know what? It needed to be done, and it's part of what I did. So here you go. And if any of you are wondering where the hell the Sully stuffy went after I am done organizing the top here, I ended up moving it into the living room because it is Rory's absolute favorite stuffed animal right now. He's on a Monsters Inc. kick, so I had to forfeit one of my little stuffies there because I'm a grown-ass adult. So doing dishes right now is absolutely horrible for me. I don't know if any of you had this problem while you were pregnant or if you're pregnant right now and are having the same issue, but this is literally the first time in the last 2 months that I've been using my belly band that I remembered to use my fucking belly band. I'm so bad for remembering to use it, especially when I'm doing dishes. That is like the number one time I need it the most. As for the rest of the bedroom stuff, this is absolutely some early nesting going on. I had to clear out that corner because that's going to ultimately be where the bassinet's going to be going. I don't have it yet. I'll be picking it up probably in September. And then that is my boyfriend's dresser. It is loaded with baby crap that I've been meaning to sort out. I got to get charged and cleaned up. And lastly, we have some good old-fashioned laundry folding because it wouldn't be a cleaning video without folding laundry, am I right? The never-ending chore. That and dishes, oh my god. With that being said, this is where I'm going to leave the video, so enjoy the last couple minutes, sit back, relax, hope you are motivated to get off your butt and do some stuff like I regularly need to do, and thus I make these videos. Give it a like if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you feel so inclined, and we will see you in the next one.